1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Hey, what's up?
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby.
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off him. Thank you.
Hey, don't pull Kitty's tail. He's gonna get you.
Don't.
Oh, are you okay?
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Carl. It's okay.
Out, and then Abby's cat went out, and then
Say hi. Give me a high five. Thanks.
This is what happens to bad kitties. Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off him. Thank you.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Normalize you not touching my charger.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Let me see your face. Come here. You got some right here. You got some right here.
He's not overeating. I know that. Look at.
How do I pet? How do we? Oh.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no.